Welcome back to Kerin Up Top Kitchen. Hooray! Now today we're going to do something different. Going to do some bread pudding, and these are the ingredients we're going to use for the bread pudding. The bread is already soaked from overnight into milk. So we're going to use a little red wine, sugar, cinnamon, vanilla, nutmeg, rose water. That's it. What I'm doing now, I have like 6 loaves of bread in this, and I have different type of bread: hard dough bread, brown bread, sliced bread, every type of bread. So all I do now, I just mash them together, just mince it up together. I forget to tell you guys about the egg, so I'm going to use 2 eggs. And I use around for the 6 loaf of bread, I use like a gallon of milk. You know me already, I don't measure nothing, just by, look of vanilla, look of nutmeg, and maybe about a teaspoon of cinnamon. Look, you can't use too much rose water. Rose water make your stuff bitter, so you can't use too much. So you just use a little tip. And you know, for my little friends who love to drink my red wine. Oh. Okay, and the sugar, of course. Most likely use maybe like a cup or around 46 loaf of bread, maybe use like 2 cups. But you know, me no measure nothing. We just throw in. That's it. That's the secret about my ingredients and my cooking. No measurement, and it come out good. So I don't know. Mix. Some raisin. I forget. You know, you can do the bread pudding without a raisin. So I'm going to put some raisin in. So I just wash these raisins. It depends how much you like raisins, because some people doesn't like a lot of raisins, so you don't, depends what type, how much you like. And just mix up like that. Mix everything together, everything. And how you know if it's tastable enough for you to need more sugar and so forth, all you have to do, just taste it. No happen? Want more sugar? I'm gonna put about 2 cups of sugar already. So you see, that's all. It depends how sweet you like it anyway. That's all about it. How sweet. You see how my bread is mashed and look real nice, mashy. It's not sliced. So because of the milk, that is why, and I soaked it from overnight. So I have all these type of bread. See, it's good. I'm going to grease the pan that I could put my bread pudding in the baking pan. So I use butter, margarine. For 1. And because this pan is a little bigger, I'm going to use double the amount of butter, because butter has to be in there. Margarine has to be in there. We're now going to pour it in, okay? So I'm gonna put it in the oven now. Yes, now I get 3 pans. 1, 2, 3. So I'm just going to stuff them in the oven right now. And then it's going to bake for like 45 minutes to an hour. And then that's it. Okay, I think the pudding is finished. So let's check it out to see what it looks like. Looking good. So I'm going to let this cool for at least a half an hour, then I cut it and let you guys see what the result is all about. Calm down, and look, it's cool down now, so I think I could cut a slice of it to see what it really tastes like. It's stiff.